Hi, all. My name is Rashid Roshan, and I live in Los Angeles County, California. Um, I am entering my third year working in inpatient dual diagnosis rehab facilities. I'm having a wonderful time so far. It's been nice to have a job that allows me to implement exactly what it is I learned straight into the field. Um, my aspirations definitely include doing therapy at some point. I haven't had any official case management experiences yet, so I do want to get that in very soon. I'm hoping to do so in my next field experience, where I could really take one-on-one cases and just apply what I've learned throughout this program. I have done a lot of group work though, and I have doing group therapy has been really nice because it was a really big learning curve. Obviously, we know the challenges groups can provide, and I got really comfortable with it. Probably about 2 months in, I would say, and that turned out to be pretty good experience as well. And I'm looking forward to continue to doing that as well. Um, it's nice to pick up on a lot of concepts that we're learning in these groups because I am figuring out these psychotherapeutic techniques that we weren't being taught early on in the program. So I just see that as a big step up as far as moving our careers forward in the mental health field. And I would say I thought that was going to be the biggest challenge. Obviously, I mean, any kind of providing one-on-one therapy is it's kind of like the gold standard, I think, at least for in my opinion, on what it is we do or what we want to do. So I I foresee that as a little challenge, but I do think that obviously mistakes are just going to be made in any field that we go to. So I look forward to obviously minimizing the mistakes, but just learning from the experiences I have in the field. I guess that's why we do have the internship set up the way it is. And yeah, I do. I really want to get the ball rolling with that. So I hope you guys feel the same way. Thanks for listening.